This is Rohit, and firstly, welcome to Full Tank Films.
We are ready for riding, and today we're gonna drive to Hanle from Leh, and we're gonna take the route of Chumtang, Nyoma, and then Hanle. So that's the ride. लगेगा क्या? It's too hot, man. Yeah, coming. It's super duper hot. So yeah, that's about 250 kilometers to Hanle today, and yeah, we're gonna take a first break here in Karu near the Royal Enfield Cafe, which is owned and run by women. So we're gonna stop there and do a hard regroup for a little chai break, and then we head out to Chumtang. लद्दाख में काफ़ी ट्रैफिक भी है, पता नहीं इतने लोग दिखते तो नहीं है, मतलब घर भर ऐसे दिखते तो नहीं है, बट स्टिल देयर इज लॉट ऑफ ट्रैफिक ऑन द रोड. परिंदे घर आजा, घर आजा, घर आजा, घर आजा, नादान परिंदे घर आजा, तेरी परछाइयाँ. We have our soldiers going in the front. Oh my god, they're with guns and everything. Fucking hell. Oh man. उनको देख के ऐसा खुशी होता है, मतलब the way they salute, it's like with so much pride they do it. My god, मन खुश हो गया मेरा बहनचोद. बॉबी भाई हमारे always helping us, and right now we're going to Camp Karu. And all the bikers are going to join in here. So yeah, this is how the entrance is to Camp Karu. Just look at the view. So we're gonna have some tea here, and we have something to read as well. These are all the ice hockey championships that Royal Enfield has won, and we have a lot of certificates as well. This place is really nice. We have place upstairs, and we have our Bharat Bhai. How are you feeling today, Bharat? Great. And we have all the whole guys sitting here.
Cheers, bro. Butter tea, please.
Yeah, butter tea, and then we have local cookies made by the women themselves. Yeah.
Butter tea.
We are waiting for butter tea.
So yeah, this is the cookie.
Cookies. Hey! हो गया.
You can add sugar in this, or you can add.
No, it's salt based.
Okay.
So it's like
It's a salty tea.
Butter tea.
So if you're having it for the first time, then you have it, as if you're having some soup.
Oh, this is pink butter tea.
फुल कर दो. 2-4 कप दे दो इनको.
ये पिछले 4 दिन से खाना नहीं खाया.
Butter tea पीऊंगी क्या फिर? Okay, we're gonna have the first sip of butter tea. Cheers.
Just take photo.
Cheers to butter tea and Royal Enfield.
ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತಿರ್ಸೋ.
Oh, ಇದೆ.
See who's there. Just
Oh.
look at
This is like a soup.
Lucas, what is there after that?
Should we start again?
No, not here.
Welcome to Ladakh, and I hope you have, so far you have had. Okay. So far you have had a wonderful, experience on the road. I wouldn't say ride, but experience. Yeah. So welcome to Camp Kharu again. Camp Kharu is one of these CSR initiatives of Royal Enfield. We have christened it as Pit Stop Kharu. So people generally stop here for a brief time to use the washroom or to have and experience some local food here. You also get to see the stunning, beautiful view of the Indus here. And just opposite here, we have the Himis Monastery, one of the largest monasteries in Ladakh.
Okay, so we're just leaving the place, the Camp Kharu, and yeah, we had a great butter tea and some cookies. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Chalo. So it's 11 o'clock almost, and we're targeting to reach Hanle by 5 probably. The best time would be 5. The police have stopped us for checking, and yeah, we're just waiting for a go ahead. This is the left that we have taken. Yes, if we go that way, we go back to Manali. Yes, we've met the Zanskar team, and we took a break, and we're going back now. The Spiti team is going to head back to Hanle, and the Zanskar team is going to go back to Leh. Okay, we took a quick break after 105 or 6 kilometers, and drank some water, and we're heading back. Just look at this landscape, man. My God. I'm just so excited for all the terrains that I'm seeing, that each and every terrain looks so fucking different. I think I'm also going to go click a picture. Whoa. Voila. Look at this, man. वो ऐसे कहीं पे भी दिखेगा तुमको? नहीं, आपको आना पड़ेगा लेह लद्दाख for these kind of views. Fucking amazing. So we've just crossed Neoma and we have to fuel up here. I think, bhai sahab, there's a lot of rush here, man. There's a lot of rush. इसके लिए क्या इतना जल्दी जल्दी करके बोला है? We have Varun filling up the petrol for us. Good.
पूरा रोड साइड में लिखा
बस
583.12. Go.
Go for it. Done. Everybody's filled up. We are a good 1.5 hour late. We must have reached by now if the petrol is filled up a little early. So yeah, we have a good 70-80 kilometers left. Let's go. Oh, this is Stockton. I think this is an army camp. Just look at it. My God, कहाँ रहते हैं यार ये? Completely away from the real world. Sorry, I think completely away from the fake world. असली लाइफ तो भाई पहाड़ों पे है. ये उधर क्या मस्त सैंड है ना, देखो भैंस. इसीलिए इधर शायद सैंडस्टॉर्म्स इतना होता है. भाई आराम से जाना. Plains. I mean, the whole landscape is completely changed again. It's greener on this side and there's sand on this side. I mean, what a funny thing. It is fun riding, in these roads. But you have to be very careful of the soft sand that is present on the road. If the tire slips, you fall. So be very cautious of that. But other than that, the road is like butter. I mean, we had around 30 kilometers and around 80 kilometers, and now we only have 40 kilometers. We've done 30 kilometers in the last 10-20 minutes. आ रहा हूँ. इस साइड करो, राइट करो. हाँ. Just look at the size of the road and look at the size of the mountains and how far they are. Oh man. So it's a treat to ride in these roads. are 15 kilometers away from Hanle, and I'm getting a slight headache because we're gaining altitude again. We were at 11,000 feet in Leh, and suddenly we've come up to 14,000. So yeah, getting a slight headache. Just need to reach the hotel as soon as possible and rest. So we have another 3 kilometers to Hanle, actually to our homestay, and I'm having a very bad headache. I'm not even able to open my eyes, and I'm running short of breath, and the altitude sickness is real. I think I'll just go to the hotel and just freshen up and just go to sleep. Or I think I should just grab a coffee as soon as possible. Else this headache is going to just increase.